Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I've worked thousands of IRS cases, literally. I started just maybe before you were born in 1973. I sat on an IRS desk working cases like this, and I try to give you a lot of information. I don't do any selling or advertising on this, just so you know. They make me sick. I've written a book. I'm just showing you that I've done something. I'm not just some average Joe sitting at home, but I do know what the hell I'm talking about. I've done this probably more than anyone that you will ever go ahead and speak to. So I just want you to know that most people don't know what to do when they get that IRS bill. They don't know whether they should call someone, and they become frozen. They become absolutely frozen, and they do not know what the next step. I know that. I used to bang on doors, show my badge, my commission, say, hey, I'm an agent. Sit down, I want your I don't want to seize your house, your car, everything. I've done all that. I worked in a narcotic trafficking program, so I understand if you're frozen and sit there and don't know what to do. Most people are. So I'm trying to tell you the best I can what you need to do. You're either going to make the first decision is you want to do this on your own, knock yourself out, or you want to hire someone. So I'm going to tell you about wanting to hire someone, but if you want to do this on your own, God bless you. And if you don't owe a lot of money, not a lot's going to happen. It's okay for you to pick up the phone, make a call, and work the case yourself. You could do some digging here, but you're not going to really have the whole scoop. You're only going to learn what's there. But if you want to hire someone, I'm just going to tell you this. You do not want to hire a big box firm to tell you and have a whole bunch of people sitting on a sales floor and tell you a bunch of crap and selling you, and to make a decision with them and then lying to you that they can settle your debt and get penalties abated. Those are the two big things that these tax resolutions, they preach pennies on a dollar. I used to work the offer and compromise program. That's why I wrote the book about how you can settle your taxes. So I know how to settle your taxes, and they teach these penalty abatements. I used to abate penalties and interest for the United States government. It's very tough to do. So the thing you want to do is you do want to pick someone. So whether you're picking me or not, I just want you to know you need to hire someone with an attorney, enrolled agent, former IRS agent, enrolled agent, or CPA. Those are the only people who can talk to IRS. But number two, all your tax returns have to be filed. IRS isn't going to want to work with you, and if you're self-employed, you got to make estimate payments. So whoever is going to call for you and represent you, you want to do all the things that IRS is going to ask, and that's they want you current. They don't want you running up tax debt. If they don't tell you to do that, like I said, and you're not using me, then that's not the company for you. So you've got to look for these things, so you got to know a little. And I suggest you call 3 companies before you go ahead and it's before you hire someone. You got to know whether you relate to them. You want to speak to the person working your case, and you want to tell them their expected result. Like if you call me, I'll tell you your expected result. So if you're trying to hire someone, they should be able to tell you, except on an audit, because they haven't looked at your book. So those are the things you need to do. Usually you have a lot of time. That time goes quickly, and you want to set yourself up really in the best situation. And many times your financial statement will drive how IRS settles with you and works with you. But they want all returns filed before you call them, and you want to be making estimate payments if you're self-employed. So that's the best advice I can give you. If you need me, you can hit me up. If not, remember, you should see the person also face-to-face by video or FaceTime. Don't accept someone who's not going to video with you, because you should know and get something in your heart that's the right person. Anyway, give me a subscription. I wish you the very best of luck. Do the things that I tell you. You get yourself a better, you'll put yourself in a better light with IRS. Have a good one. Thank you so very much.